Do you want to change the phone number on your Battle.net account? If so, let me show you how. All you have to do is hover over your profile on the upper right hand side and click on account settings. Now, once you're under the account settings section, just simply click on account details on the left hand side, scroll down to the bottom, and you will find a section for phone number. All you have to do, you can either remove the current phone number that is there or simply click and update and go ahead and click and change. Here you want to enter the security code that has been sent to the current phone number that you have. So you want to check your phone for that security code. I'm going to go ahead and do so right now. And once I go ahead and find that verification number, I just want to go ahead and enter that verification code that I receive from Battle.net on my phone. Once you enter that, click and submit, and here you'll have the option to enter a new phone number, and then you will continue to proceed. So enter the new phone number that you wish. You can always change the country code if it's something that you desire as well, and just simply go ahead and proceed, continue, and you'll be able to change your phone number. And that's how you do it, guys. Very easy and very simple.